Hello, hello, my amazing artists. Today, we're going to read a brand new book called The Colors We Share by Angelica Das. You may have heard skin color described as black, white, red, or yellow. But have you ever met a person who is actually one of these colors? Of course you haven't. No one's skin is really one of those colors, not a single person in the entire world, including you. Humans are much more colorful. Yet the way we live today, people are divided into races based on those colors and are treated differently because of these groupings. This thinking is too small for a world that contains so many beautiful colors and people. It is as wrong as thinking that the world is flat. Even though it seems like we're talking about color, we're really talking about how we see each other and what we believe about others based on the color of their skin. You might be surprised to see that these 4 people, who could all be labeled different races, have the same color skin. Every person is unique, even if they share the same skin color. To know a person's story, you need to get to know them. Your story is unique, but do you know how similar you are to others too? Even with our differences, humans are 99.9% biologically identical. Only in that last tiny 0.1% do you find skin, hair, and eye color. Grouping people by skin color is not scientific at all. You have your own special skin color, and it's not just one color, but a combination, like a painter mixes with paints. From the 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, along with black and white, you can create a universe of colors, including the color of everyone you know. To find your color with paint, mix yellow and blue to make green, then add in red to create brown, because melanin, the pigment that gives all human skin its color, is brown. Now look in a mirror. Add black and white to better match your skin tone. Then try adding a little bit more yellow and red to see if you can get even closer. These are the colors we share. We are made from the same ingredients, and yet each of us is uniquely different. This is the beauty of being human. We all have something different to offer. And so our differences do not need to divide us. Together, we can question old ideas and think bigger.